Let's have a look inside a busy beehive. What you see here is a beekeeper looking inside a hive. He has to look inside a hive to make sure everything's okay. And as you see, there are lots and lots of bees. And sometimes he has to shake them off the frame to see if everything is okay. He might have a look at more than one frame just to make sure. How many thousands of bees do you see here? In this hive, there are 60,000. That was a busy hive. How many bees did you count?